Hi to everyone, I'm Fabio Gorni, co-founder of Style Italiano Endodontics. It's a great pleasure for me to be here and to introduce to you Plano. Plano has completely changed my ergonomics during the step of obturation, increasing also the quality of my job. Before Plano was really difficult to manage the gutta percha cones in case of multi-rooted teeth without mistakes. Plano allows us to place the cone in the appropriate market spaces and to clean and decontaminate them directly in the tray, saving time and reducing the chance of recontamination. Plano is very useful also to manage the paper points. The center area has been designed to mix endocements. The special consistency of the surface facilitates the mixing not only when we are using traditional endocements, but also to mix other materials like MTA. Working with Plano means improving ergonomics, the quality of the different obturation steps, reducing the chair time. Try it, you will like it for sure.